Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. Today we talk to very popular and trending haircut, bobs cut for thick hairs. Let's start. A bob cut can be a great option for thick hair. A bob cut types retrieve the chin or the shoulder and can be cut in ways to set your face shapes and personally look styles. For thick hairs, a bob cut can help to recovered volume and add movements to the hairs, create a silk and polished look. Some popular types of bob cuts for thick hairs include a blend bob cut straight around the jawline. This style creates a clean line and can help to simple drawn or round face shapes. Angled bobs cut at an angle. This style adds movements um, and texture to thick hair and can create a symmetry effect on square face shapes. A layered bob according layers to a bob cut can help to achieve movement and recall volumes, creating a flowing and stylish look. Cut Bob cut for thick hairs is very different and beautiful hairstyling, very different hair cutting idea for this video. Please subscribe my channel Fashion Box. Subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Blend bobs are cut that retrieve the chin or the shoulder with a straight edge around the jawline. A cant that retrieve the chin or the shoulder with an angled edge that creates a longer, more shoulder over cuts. Layered cut with layer that start at the jawline or the shoulder, according movement and texture to the thick hairs. Bob Bobs cut for thick hairs for different hairstyling and different occasions and different dye ideas for this video and different cutting very popular bobs cut for thick hairs and very trending. The cut is very popular and amazing look for different hairstyling for any face shapes. Use a hard Use a head protectant syrup to prevent damaging from heat styling tools. Apply a hydrating serum to tame frizzy and add shine. Use a round brush while blow drying to achieve something smoothing and movements. Term every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain shape and prevent spittle ends. Add bangs for a fringe or a keratin of hair that frames the face, experimenting with asymmetry by cutting on one side shoulder than the other. Add subtle layers for a crispy and down look. Try a bold color or highlights to achieve the style. Wear with a contour, contour or side part, depending on your face shapes and preference. Remembers a classic bob cut is a timeless choice that can be tailored to suit your individually, your personally style, and have fun with it. Bow cuts for thick hair is very different trick and tips and different hairstylings and different ideas for this video. I get that retrieve the chin or the shoulder with the straight edges around the jawline. Grabs clean line and a clean line and a strong shoulder hairs, subtle for round, oil and heart-shaped face shape. The bow cuts for thin hairs is very amazing and beautifully hairstyle for any face shapes. I hope this video is very usefully ideas for different hairstyling and different dyes idea for bobs cut thin hairs. Your trend is very your cut is very trending and very popular trend. Please my channel Fashion Box subscribe and share the friends and family to subscribe. Blend bangs cut straight around the areas and joyland line. Cut is very different hairstyling and different look for face shapes. Your look is very amazing and very beautiful. Side bangs to on side, creating a softer, more romantic look. Keratin bangs can bangs to retrieve the chin or the shoulders, framing the face. Use a shampoos and conditioner. Apply a root left or thinking spray to achieve volume at the roots. Use a round brush well below drying to lifting hair from the roots. Teach the hairs gradually on the roots and mid length. Use a texture spray or dry shampoo to add get and volume. Remember, a blend bob cut is a statement style that exudes confidence and very amazing look. A cut that achieves the chin or the shoulders with layers straight at the joyland or the shoulders. Adds movement, texture and flow to thick hairs. Subtle from most face shapes, including round, oval, heart shapes and square. This the bob cut for thick hair is very amazing and beautiful. Layer that drift from short to long, creating a flattering effects. Choppy layer that are cut in a choppy pixie, marrying adopting volume and texture. Layers that are cut shoulder on one side, creating demanding shoulder cuts. Layers that are cut with are very amusing of texture and movements. Retrieve volume and adds movements here. A bob cut can be a great option for thick hairs. A bob cut typically reaches the chin or the shoulders and can be cut in ways to suit your face shapes and personally.